when you've got a concept that you're super excited about, the first thing I would always do is to get clear on my why and my who. Why does this story matter right now? And who am I telling this for? Because once you nail that, your pitch isn't just going to be a summary anymore. It becomes a rally call. And if you're a solo filmmaker, like a lot of us when we first started, I recommend to get started first to create a simple pitch deck. 1 or 2 pages is enough. It should show your concept, tone, target audience, and your overall vision. Second, make a short proof of concept video. It helps people see the world that you're trying to create. Thirdly, go to the community before going to distributors or other producers. You've got to find your people. That might be a few cast, crew members, film groups online, even meetups and LinkedIn. I mean, you never know who's going to vibe with you and the story. And finally, don't think of it as pitching, because there's always an air of desperateness with that. Think of it as inviting people into your story and your project. And that could be for collaborators, microfunders, mentors, donors. And later down the track, you can look into film markets, grants, and then crowdfunding. But honestly, hands down, you need to get people emotionally invested in it first. For myself, I've built full feature films onto 3 using this DIY relationship first energy. And you would be amazed how far that just a few people believing in your vision, it can take a project to get off the ground. Anyhow, I hope that helps. And if anyone else needs any help out there in terms of the film, just reach out. I love seeing indie filmmakers rise.